The world is changing at an incredible pace, thanks to the rapid advancements in technology. At this rate, the world will definitely be an entirely different place by 2050, as it would have undergone a remarkable transformation due to the influx of groundbreaking inventions. So, what exactly would the world look like in 2050? Let's find out. Number 1. Human-like robots will dominate. The world of robotics is poised to revolutionize our lives by 2050. While the concept of robotics is not new, it will undergo a remarkable transformation in the years to come. At that time, many industries would have adopted robotics, integrating advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine vision, sensors, motors, hydraulics, and materials advancements. This shift will redefine how products and services are delivered, bringing forth a new era of efficiency and innovation. By 2050, there will be a tremendous demand for tech talent to develop, operate, and maintain advanced robots. Technicians and researchers are currently exploring ways to imbue robots with a sense of sensation, enabling them to experience emotions akin to humans. According to Oxford Economics, the rise of robotics will lead to the replacement of over 20 million human workers by robots by 2050. While robots are already employed in certain restaurants and businesses in the world today, their intelligence and ubiquity will significantly increase by 2050. Industries across the board will leverage the power of robotics, transforming manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, agriculture, and more. From automated factories to autonomous vehicles and robotic assistants, our world will witness a surge in the integration of robotic technologies. This shift will bring lots of benefits, including increased productivity, improved safety, and enhanced precision. However, it will also raise questions and challenges related to job displacement, ethical considerations, and the overall societal impact of a world increasingly dominated by robots. Next, 3D printing will reshape the world by 2050. While you may be familiar with this cutting-edge innovation, there are still many who are unaware of its incredible potential. At its core, 3D printing is a technology that creates three-dimensional objects by layering materials based on a virtual model file. Although not as high-tech as artificial intelligence, 3D printing possesses the capacity to revolutionize production and various industries. Imagine a future where factories effortlessly produce spare parts on site, eliminating the need for complex supply chains. Entire assembly lines could be replaced by 3D printers, streamlining manufacturing processes and reducing environmental impacts through the efficient use of materials. Research indicates that 3D printing has the remarkable ability to bring mass personalization to products. This has led numerous companies to invest in custom software development and 3D printing technologies. The allure lies in the capability to design and manufacture products with full customization, tailoring them to meet individual needs and preferences. The implications of 3D printing reach far beyond simple replication. This technology has the potential to democratize manufacturing, empower creativity, and reshape supply chains. It has the power to unlock new possibilities, driving innovation across industries such as healthcare, aerospace, automotive, and more. By 2050, we will witness a world where 3D printing plays a central role in production, unleashing a wave of customization, efficiency, and sustainability. UMBR 3. Bionic eyes would have been perfected. By 2050, a new era of enhanced vision will dawn, where artificial retinas and visual prostheses will match the astounding quality of the human eye. These advanced devices will boast electrode arrays with hundreds of megapixels, vivid full-color displays, and wireless capabilities. It's a remarkable leap forward from earlier versions that offered pixelated black and white views of the world. But that's not all. These implants won't just restore sight to the blind, they'll also offer additional enhancements beyond our natural capabilities. Picture-embedded cameras, Wi-Fi connectivity, augmented reality overlays, night vision, thermal imaging, and even zoom functionality. With these devices, wireless communication becomes possible, with text seamlessly integrated into the wearer's field of vision. These advanced devices will become commonplace among spy agencies, armed forces, and prominent individuals. However, they will also become affordable for the general public. As a result, even healthy adults will be enticed by the opportunity to embrace the benefits provided by computerized vision. Number 2. Dark glasses would have replaced smartphones. Virtual reality headsets are poised to replace smartphones by 2050. These advanced devices will boast mind-blowing 16K resolution and a compact, goggle-like design. But their true magic lies in the multiple display modes they offer. In the augmented reality mode, the lenses turn transparent, allowing you to witness captivating holograms seamlessly integrated into your surroundings. The mixed reality mode takes it a step further, with transparent lenses that bring hyper-realistic virtual objects into the real world, appearing to obey the laws of physics. And of course, there's the virtual reality mode, where a coating of opaque silver fully immerses you in a virtual world of limitless possibilities. But it doesn't stop there. In the augmented and mixed reality modes, you can access a smart stream interface, where the power of your mind allows you to manipulate multiple apps and files. With these remarkable features, VR glasses represent the next evolution after smartphones. Number 1. By 2050, AGI would have revolutionized the field of AI. Unlike the narrow AI we know today, which can only perform specific tasks, AGI will possess human-like intelligence, capable of autonomously executing a wide range of tasks without human supervision. AGI's capabilities will go beyond voice assistants and chatbots. It will encompass perception, language understanding, problem-solving, and creativity, matching or even surpassing human performance. AGI machines will be adaptable and versatile, able to transfer knowledge from one task to another seamlessly. With proper regulation and collaborative efforts, AGI will shape a future where machines possess human-like cognitive abilities, opening up new frontiers of possibility. What's your thought about these future-changing technologies? Let's know in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.